The Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, was designed to explore the outer planets and push the boundaries of human knowledge. Now, more than 47 years later, it continues its mission, traveling over 23 billion kilometers from Earth, into the uncharted depths of interstellar space. But recently, Voyager 1 has sent back data that stunned the scientific community. At the edge of our solar system, in a region called the heliopause *, it has made a discovery that challenges everything we thought we knew. The heliopause marks the boundary where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. It's where the solar wind, a stream of charged particles from our Sun, fades into the vastness of the galaxy. Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to cross this frontier in 2012. But now, it's detecting something unusual: fluctuations in the magnetic field of interstellar space that defy previous scientific expectations. Instead of the calm, steady field scientists predicted, Voyager 1 recorded mysterious vibrations and patterns. These are not random noise, they're consistent, repeating, and unlike anything ever observed in this region. What could be causing them? Some believe it might be a previously unknown form of energy, while others suggest these could be signals or pressure waves from deep within the galaxy. One theory gaining traction is that these magnetic fluctuations could be the result of an interstellar energy stream pressing against the edge of our solar system, like an invisible current squeezing the heliopause. It might be coming from nearby stars, or perhaps from some distant, unexplained source in the Milky Way. If true, this means our solar system isn't isolated, it's connected to the rest of the galaxy in ways we're only beginning to understand. The implications are profound. Voyager the 1st may be revealing a kind of cosmic network, an energy grid that links stars and solar systems together. This could reshape our entire understanding of galactic physics, and maybe even suggest how energy or information might travel across immense cosmic distances. Despite its outdated 1970s-era technology, Voyager 1 remains our most important probe in interstellar space. Every faint signal it sends is a message from the edge of the known universe, offering insight no other spacecraft can. These discoveries push us to dream bigger, to build new spacecraft that can venture even farther, to truly explore the galaxy. Elon Musk, one of the leading voices in modern space exploration, has praised Voyager's ongoing mission. He described the latest findings as a wake-up call for humanity. Musk believes this data could inspire the next generation of interstellar missions, pushing SpaceX and others to design spacecraft that can travel beyond the boundaries of our current technology. Could Voyager 1's discoveries be the first clues of something greater, an unseen force, or perhaps even a new form of life interacting with the solar system? We don't yet know. But as Voyager 1 sails deeper into the unknown, it reminds us that the universe is far more complex and mysterious than we ever imagined. Here at *Waves Discovery*, we continue to follow this mission, and many others, that reveal the hidden truths of space. Every new transmission from Voyager 1 takes us one step closer to understanding the universe, and perhaps, our place in it. Voyager 1 is currently flying through a region known as the heliopause, the boundary where our Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. This is the final curtain between us and the unknown, and Voyager 1 is the only human-made object to cross it. Since that historic moment in 2012, the probe has continued to move deeper into space, recording readings that scientists never expected to see. Recently, it began detecting mysterious fluctuations in the interstellar magnetic field. At first, these seemed like anomalies, just noise from the vast emptiness. But they weren't. They were patterns. Repeating, shifting, and utterly unfamiliar. These signals don't match anything we've previously observed, and they're coming from a region where no spacecraft has ever traveled. The discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Some researchers now believe Voyager the 1st may be detecting powerful interstellar currents, streams of energy that pass silently through space, like invisible rivers in the void. These currents could represent a new layer of cosmic structure, one that connects stars and galaxies across unimaginable distances. If this theory holds true, then our solar system isn't a lonely island drifting in darkness. It's part of a vast and interconnected galactic web. These energy flows might function as bridges between solar systems, possibly carrying not only particles and fields, but perhaps even information. It's a concept that challenges our entire understanding of the universe. But Voyager 1's mission goes beyond just collecting numbers and charts. Its journey is a story of resilience. The spacecraft, running on less computing power than a modern calculator, was only expected to operate for a few years. Yet it has outlived every prediction. Despite aging hardware and weakening signals, it continues to uncover truths that were once thought to be unreachable. The data it's sending back doesn't just expand our knowledge. It shakes the foundation of what we thought we understood. Every transmission hints at forces and dynamics we haven't yet explained. This isn't just about solar winds or cosmic rays. It's about rewriting the rules of how space works. And as Voyager 1 continues into this uncharted realm, it invites a bigger question. What else is out there? For centuries, humans have looked at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond. Now we have a spacecraft sending back real answers. It's no longer just imagination, it's evidence. Some researchers suggest that the magnetic anomalies Voyager 1 is detecting could even be signs of unknown interstellar phenomena. Maybe interactions with dark matter. Maybe something else entirely. What we do know is that space is far more dynamic than we ever assumed. It's not an empty void, it's alive with energy, with movement, with mystery. This realization also has huge implications for the future. Could these discoveries eventually help us harness interstellar energy? Could they help us navigate through space more efficiently? Or could they even lead us to something more extraordinary, like signs of life beyond Earth? Even Elon Musk, known for his ambitions to colonize Mars and venture beyond, has expressed awe at Voyager 1's latest findings. He called them a wake-up call, a reminder that space is vast, full of surprises, and that we're just at the beginning of understanding it. He believes the next steps in space travel will build on what Voyager 1 is showing us now. New spacecraft, new missions, and new visions for exploring the stars may all trace their origins back to this little probe. What makes Voyager 1's discoveries so powerful is that they come from the real frontier, not a telescope peering from Earth, but a spacecraft immersed in the unknown. And the more it drifts outward, the more it teaches us about ourselves. About our desire to explore. About our place in the universe. And about how little we truly know. Could the signals Voyager 1 is detecting be evidence of an intelligent force? That idea remains speculative, but it's no longer unthinkable. If the cosmos is indeed interconnected by unseen currents and energies, then perhaps life, perhaps intelligence, is also spread across it, waiting for us to find the right path, or the right signal, to connect. Voyager 1 has already changed history by reaching where no machine has gone before. But its mission is far from over. Every new reading, every strange fluctuation, is another piece of a puzzle that may redefine physics, astronomy, and even philosophy. We live on a pale blue dot orbiting a single star, at the edge of a spiral galaxy. Voyager 1 reminds us that this galaxy is just one among billions, and that the space between them is anything but empty. As it ventures deeper, it shows us that exploration has no finish line. The universe is bigger than we thought, more vibrant, more structured, and possibly more inhabited. Here at *Waves Discovery*, we continue to follow Voyager 1's journey and everything it uncovers. Because its story isn't just about distance, it's about discovery. And as long as that tiny spacecraft keeps transmitting, the door to the unknown